February 30th, and it is gorgeous out. It's supposed to be 52 today. But the important thing is that last week, the Persephone period ended. Now, if y'all don't know what that is, the Persephone period is when, if you live in the northern or southern latitudes, not near the equator, the amount of light during the day is less than 10 hours. And for us, that just ended last week. So now we're at about 10 hours and 15 minutes of light a day, and it's increasing by a minute, more than a minute a day every day. Isn't that right? Halo just got a bath. He needed one. So what we're going to do is start planting. And the reason you have to really know about the Persephone period. Oh, let's open this. Hold on. Trying to get in the greenhouse, but it's way hot in there. So what we've been doing is cleaning out the greenhouse early. This is the earliest we've ever done it. I usually wait till March. But we want to get a jump start. So I actually started planting a week ago when we hit exactly 10 hours and 1 minute of light. And that is the end of the Persephone period. Usually this whole thing is filled with tomatoes. I got one left here. It's a grape tomato, but it didn't do good. It's still alive. It still has tomatoes on it. It would keep you alive during the Persephone period. For sure. And look at this. Look at our citrus ripening up. So I started planting 7 days ago, right over here. And in fact, we do have Ruby Streaks mustard coming up. There's also about 200 garlics in here to come up. I planted arugula and lettuces. Those should all come up in the next few days. We still got some flowers in here. You can see some of the tomatoes from the plants I ripped out. Some peppers. These stayed fresh for the entire Persephone period and didn't grow at all, but they're fresh on the plant. So that's one thing you can do during that time when there is less than 10 hours of light. Your plants can be mature and they will stay alive so that you can harvest them during the cold months of winter, like we've been doing. They even turn beautiful colors. So over in this area, it's not like it was last year where we had tons of tomatoes growing, but I still let this one vine go. And you can see just how many ripe fruits there are on this. Everywhere, you just pick them off and snack on them. And our fishies. Hi, guys. Part of our aquaponics system. So that's what we're doing here. We're planting. Season is just getting started. January 30th, like I said, and we're about to have, it looks like 10 days of snow. So in a week or so, we're going to be showing you videos here of the snow covering the car. Going to be fun, isn't it? Be safe, guys. Rex and I are heading out tomorrow on a journey for some petroglyphs. So stay tuned for more updates.